TrueClot Packing, Compression and Tourniquet Task Trainer is a cost-effective, durable training aid designed to enhance bleeding control skills. This simulated leg model is ideal for teaching and reinforcing techniques such as wound packing and the application of compression bandages and proper tourniquet use. It can function as a dry trainer or be used with blood simulant for more realistic training experiences. The trainer supports both dry and wet wound packing exercises with easy cleanup using water. There are different versions in light and dark skin for training in gunshot wounds and lacerations, complete with bony landmarks to provide realistic anatomical references. In addition to practicing dealing with wounds, you can use it to practice tourniquet application. An anatomical knee landmark is also present to demonstrate the consequences of improper tourniquet application over a joint. Made from durable stain-resistant silicone, ensures its long life and repeated use without degradation, and it's latex-free to ensure safety for all users. Incorporating this training into your training programs provides a realistic, hands-on approach to mastering essential bleed control techniques, thereby enhancing the confidence and competence of medical personnel and first responders. For more information and to buy TrueClot, please contact us.